Hi, I'm Corey, and welcome back to the latest installment of the NAPA Echlin Professional Education Series. Today we're going to talk about the different emission systems found on today's vehicles and why NAPA Echlin emission control products are the right parts to recommend to your customers. Now, between evaporative emissions, exhaust recirculation, and crankcase emissions, today's emission systems are increasingly complex, and these systems are made up of multiple individual components that must each work together exactly as designed and in all conditions to keep vehicles running clean and efficient. Now, the right emission program must give you two things. One, a large offering with all the components and also the related components needed, and then two, components that have been precision engineered, manufactured, and tested to correctly integrate with today's complex emission systems. And that is the NAPA Echlin Emission Control Program. Now, let's quickly cover all the emission systems on vehicles and the components that we offer. The evaporative emission system stores unburned hydrocarbons, and when the timing is appropriate, it vents them into the intake so that they can be burned. Now, these complex systems have multiple components, and we offer everything you might need, including canister purge pumps, canister purge solenoids, fuel vapor canisters, vent and valve hoses, canister vent solenoids, and fuel vapor leak detection pumps, or ESIMs, on Chrysler vehicles. Now, in an effort to deliver better performance while also reducing emissions, many modern advanced internal combustion engines are once again using EGR systems. Now, this system returns exhaust gases through the intake to reduce NOx, or NOx emissions. And our full line of precision engineered and thoroughly tested EGR components include EGR valves, control solenoids, valve vacuum modulators, and EGR tubes. Positive crankcase ventilation systems route blow-by gases from the crankcase into the intake manifold through the PCV valve to help reduce harmful emissions. And our crankcase emission program includes crankcase ventilation filters, PCV valves, and crankcase breather hoses. We also offer additional emissions-related components such as engine oil separators and air pumps. In total, we offer more than 3,500 different emission control components so that you don't have to chase parts. And more importantly, you can recommend our components with confidence as they are developed and tested right here in North America. Our emissions control manufacturing facilities are located in Greenville, South Carolina, Independence, Kansas, and Reynosa, Mexico, and we test our products extensively. For example, our canister purge solenoids go through a barrage of tests in our Kansas facility, including accelerated wear, thermal cycling, thermal shock, salt fog, and vibration testing. It doesn't end there. We also test emission components on vehicles in our Texas facility to make sure they perform correctly on the vehicle in all driving conditions. So research and development, precision manufacturing, lab testing, on-vehicle validation, industry-leading coverage, and sales support. That's what's in our box. What's in yours?